everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and set up the Amazon Fire 8 Kids tablet. It's kind of a long name. Kind of a tongue twister. It's basically a tablet where kids can play games, read books, watch movies, watch TV shows. But since it has parental controls, you can make sure that they only see kid-friendly content. Now I'll open it up. Why am I so excited? It's not even for me. Now I'll open it up and show you how it works. Hit it. I'm sorry. First up, there's an information packet. Let's see what's in here. Oop. Comes with the charger, so I'll plug this side into here. And here's the tablet. This was $139. It's for ages 3 and up. I got it in blue, but it also comes in pink and purple, and I'll put those color options here. On the front, there's a camera and a speaker on each side. The left side has all of the buttons. There's the volume buttons, the power button, the USB-C port, and the headphone jack. Kind of hard to see, but it's in there. And there's also a camera on the back. There's me. Hi. Alright, some behind the scenes for you. For some other details, it has an 8-inch screen, 12 hours of battery life, fully charges in under 5 hours, and has 32 gigabytes of storage. So if you download movies or TV shows or books to the tablet before you leave somewhere, you can watch them on the go, like when you're in the car or on the plane. Or if you have a hotspot, you can always connect it to that too. And Amazon says the case is designed to protect against drops, and they offer a 2-year worry-free guarantee where if it breaks, you can return it and they'll replace it for free. And there's a built-in stand on the back of the case, so you can open it up and have it stand on its own if you want. Now I'll turn it on. Start it up, so I'll choose my language. Just chose my Wi-Fi network and typed in my Wi-Fi password. Just signed into my Amazon account, and now to set up the kids profile, I'll go to the Amazon Kids icon here. Now I'll fill all this out. I think she'd like the unicorn. Filled out some more information, and now the kids profile's all set up. I'll look around and see what they have. I know she likes cocoa melon, so I'll add that. So if I'm about to leave somewhere and want to download something to the device, I can tap and hold on the episode and click download. Now that episode is saved to this device and they can watch it whenever they want. I'll click back, back again, and all the downloads are listed at the top. And if I ever wanted to remove an episode to open up some storage, I would do the same thing, so tap and hold, and remove from device. This is what it looks like when you're watching something, and once you're done or you want to watch something else, you can swipe down from the top and then click that arrow. And that brings you back to the main screen. Now I'll go to the adult profile and show you some of the settings you can change. To get there, I'll swipe down from the top. I'll click this icon on the right, choose the adult profile. To get to the adult profile, I have to type in a passcode, so that's what keeps the kids on the kid-friendly content. This is what the adult profile looks like, and I'll go into settings. I can choose a different Wi-Fi network from here. I can turn on Bluetooth from here, so if I had wireless headphones, I could connect those. I'll go down to Profiles and Family Library. I'll choose the child's profile, and I can change any of these settings. I can set time limits. I'll turn that on to see the options. You can have it turn off at a certain time, you can adjust total screen time, and there's age filters. So when you select an age, the tablet will automatically show content appropriate for that age. You can disable the camera from here if you want. So a lot of things to customize. And for a tip, if you have a lot of apps open, it can sometimes slow down the device. So I try to remember to close out of apps that I'm not using, and to do that, I'll click on this square icon here and close them out by swiping up. Last thing to mention is it doesn't come with any kids headphones, but I'll link the ones that I have in the description below. And that's the Amazon Fire 8 Kids tablet. It currently comes with 1 free year of Amazon Kids Plus, and I'll put all the pricing information for that subscription here. In my opinion, the $4.99 a month is a pretty good deal. I do think you're getting a lot for that price, considering there's educational content on there in addition to the thousands of movies and books and TV shows the kids can watch. And you can add Disney Plus to the kids profile, and I'll put the steps on how to do that here. So that's why I got this for my niece. I think it's the best kids tablet that's out there right now, and I think she's gonna love it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you have the Amazon Fire 8 Kids tablet and you like it, or if there's another kid-friendly tablet that you like, comment that below too. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Makeup actually looks pretty good today. What do you guys think? Just saying. Bye.